Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's say you want to remove an app from your PC. What's the process? For example, I have an app called Transmac installed, and I want to uninstall it. Here's how you can do that. First, go to the search bar on your taskbar. Type in remove, and from the results, click on the option that says add or remove programs. A new window will open showing all the apps currently installed on your system. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the app you want to uninstall. In my case, it's Transmac. Click on the app and you'll see an uninstall button appear. Click uninstall and then confirm again by clicking uninstall in the prompt that appears. If the app has its own uninstaller, it will launch. Just follow the prompts, usually clicking uninstall again and wait for it to finish. Once the process is complete, the app will be removed from your system. And that's it. Transmac is now uninstalled from my Windows 10 PC. This method works for uninstalling any app on Windows 10. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.